In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and manage account numbers in QuickBooks Online, a crucial step for keeping your financial records organized. To get started, ensure you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account. Begin by navigating to the top right corner of your QuickBooks homepage where you'll see the gear icon. This icon is your gateway to the settings you'll need to access, so go ahead and click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu organized under various sections, and today we're going to focus on the Your Company section. In this section lies the critical option we need, Account and Settings. Click on it to proceed. Once inside the Account and Settings page, turn your attention to the left side of the screen. Here, you'll notice a lineup of different options. Scroll through these until you spot the Advanced tab and give it a click. This will open up additional settings that include various functionalities aimed at making your business operations smoother. Now, let's focus on Chart of Accounts, a key entry point for customizing financial management in QuickBooks. Within this area, look for the option that reads Enable Account Numbers. This feature, when activated, allows you to assign meaningful numbers to your accounts, aiding in efficient referencing and reporting. Click the toggle switch to turn this feature on. It's a simple step that makes a significant difference in how streamlined and coherent your financial data appears. But that's not all. Right next to it, you'll find an option to Show Account Numbers. Checking this box ensures that these numbers are visible on your financial reports and transaction records, adding a layer of clarity when reviewing your data. Once you've enabled both options, don't forget to hit the Save button to ensure your changes are applied effectively. As a final step, click on Done to exit the Settings menu. With these adjustments in place, when you next view your chart of accounts, you'll be able to see the newly assigned account numbers in action. These numbers will now seamlessly integrate into your financial workspace, offering you precise organizational benefits that can greatly aid in both day-to-day accounting processes and strategic financial decision-making. By following these steps, you've now successfully enabled and shown account numbers within your QuickBooks Online account, optimizing the way you manage your business finances. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope these instructions help you maintain more organized and accessible financial records. If you found this guide useful, be sure to check back for more tips and tutorials.